Welcome to Kevin's Wild, Wacky, Weird World. So far in Miami, I've spent a night at a lifeguard station that wasn't bad, a night at a lifeguard station that I was attacked by mosquitoes, a night in a tent that was wind torn, rain blown around, a night in a tent that wasn't really bad. Tonight, I vow I'm going to sleep in a bed. For me, sleeping in a tent isn't about sleeping in a tent. It's about what you wake up to, the views. How cool is it to be at Miami Beach and almost no one else is here? Seeing the cruise ships out in the distance almost makes me want to go for a cruise. Yeah, here in Miami they come by with a scraper tractor every morning, make the beach look prettier for the tourists. Multiple cruise ships out to sea. Let's zoom back out. Miami Beach. And I stayed in a tent. Decided to eat at a Cuban restaurant for lunch. The food was delicious, but my gosh, the cake. I'm staying right there, Hotel Mimosa. Yep, Hotel Mimosa, beachside, Miami. Much better than the lighthouse station. Well, not the lifeguard station. They stayed at a couple nights and sleeping in my tent a couple nights. It's nice to have your own bed. Well, not your own bed, but a bed. Yep. Go back inside. It's too warm for me. Minnesota born. Mimosa. In my room for the night. Oh look, what's on TV? Kevin's Wild, Wacky, Weird World. 1960s style hotel Mimosa at the Miami Beach. Well, I'm about to get back on the train, where I'll be only having some layovers on the trip to Salem from here in Miami. Hopefully there's more water. Missed the water opportunity. There was a little water back.
Oh, okay.
But
Oh, that's so beautiful right there.
just a parking lot, but still sunlight at the right moment. That's one complaint I have against it. They never clean the windows.
Oh man, that would have been a nice shot right there.
And every once in a while I like to rotate and show.
Okay. I have another camera. I should have took it out because the sports shots are pretty good. Captures it.
Reflected. I barely got it. Hoping it clears up so I can see it again. Do you know which city this is?
No, I think the past week this week. I know we passed Winter Haven recently, so
So wanting the tree kind of foliage clear.
I don't think it's supposed to be. And it was I'm not sure what we are now.
There's a fuel refinery back there that has flames and stuff. Here we go. That's the shot I was hoping for.
Oh, man.
I hold it. I've been having it in record mode.
Oh.
Not as good a resolution, but
Yeah.
I got it. Well, it's nighttime on the train. I'm about to doze off. Thanks for coming with me on this journey, and the next video will be more on the train. Please like, comment, and subscribe.